Do you think, okay, we work from home, we have this like flexibility and whatever. Do you take naps during like normal time when you don't feel sick? Do you feel like naps are reward or not, how to say, when you're working, it's not are not allowed or something? Do you feel guilty taking a nap? How do you feel about that?
It's a good question. I'm not very good at naps, so I generally
Mm-hmm.
don't do it during the week.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if I am really tired and I go to lie down and nap, then I'll think, okay, I'll give myself 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes, but then I lie there like awake and like stressing about the time that then I need to wake up from the nap. And yeah, during the week I just don't.
Yeah.
But on the weekend,
Mm.
for me, that's like a very luxurious thing. When,
Yeah.
in the morning I'll do some chores, maybe some exercise, and then if I get to 2 or 3, I'm like,
Mm.
I take a nap. And then I feel like it's so luxurious. Wow, taking a nap in the afternoon. I don't know
Yeah.
why.